After a long time of lazing about, I think I've finally tidied the shed enough that I can move a lathe into its place, and I don't know, I'm going to try and get on with it today, isn't it? Let's get to it. That wasn't what I was expecting. The staples on one side just ripped out completely. I got the rest of it is alright. Most of the way here now. I've got into the end of the police travel. Accidentally got the tractor stuck and the other side, and I forgot to hit play when I did this last little bit of moving it. It's alright, it's not I got the lathe into place. It's I don't know, it's a lot more ergonomic where it is. It just makes a lot more sense in this shed. Because where it was blocking right in the middle of the shed and it was no good. So I got it here now, and it's, you know, it's in a nice place where it keeps dry better, and it's just all brilliant. I think that's alright. As you see, it does get a bit of use here. Not much, because I still haven't got capable electric supply. But as you can see right here, I'm using it to hold the camshaft off of a P3. I was just making sure that the journals were all clean enough and tidy. At some point, when I get a chance, I'm going to borrow a machinist level, and I'm going to give a go at that. I doubt I'll film it. You know, there are plenty of good videos on leveling, and I don't tend to make good informational videos. You know, I think it's worth, if you want to see leveling, I'm sure there's plenty of videos online, but I'd like to have a go at that. But I suppose that's the top and tail of it. You know, plenty of exciting things coming up, but you know, it's going to take a while to get there, and if I'll get round to showing it's another thing, but I hope I will. And if you've got any suggestions, I could do with a good video idea, something that I know will appeal to an audience, and then I can give it a go. Yeah, well, I'll see you in the next one.